In this video, we'll walk you through an essential feature in our plugin, the Routing Manager. This panel controls levels and elevations and plays a key role in how routes are drawn within your Revit model. We begin with the level setting, which matches the levels defined in your Revit. Next, we have an option to choose whether the routes are overhead or underground. Overhead means in the ceiling space. Underground means beneath the floor. Below that, we have routing heights, with two modes. 1. Routing and electrical zone heights. This is the default mode. R is above the ceiling. E is below the ceiling. 2. North-south and east-west elevations. This mode allows separate height settings for NS runs and EW runs. This is especially useful in more complex projects where conduit elevations vary by direction. Now, let's demonstrate the difference between these two options. We'll upload a feeder schedule that contains 10 routes. First, we'll use the RE mode. Set R to 8 feet and E to 12 feet. Then we will select 5 routes and click Generate Routes. Then, switch to the NS and EW elevations. We'll keep E at 12 feet, and set NS to 3 feet and EW to 2 feet. Then, we'll select the remaining 5 routes and click Generate Routes again. Finally, we'll click Visualize in 3D to see the results. You'll notice the first 5 routes follow a consistent height, while the second set varies by direction, clearly showing how the settings affect routing. And that's how to use the Routing Manager in Auto BIM Route.